Hello everyone, at present I am at the MTA 2023, the largest exhibition in Vietnam about machine tools, taking place from the 4th to the 7th in NECC Exhibition Center, Ho Chi Minh City. In the exhibition, Automech is going to introduce the most modern board products and technologies. Let's follow me for some interesting information. With an area of 204 square meters, Automech booth is the largest one in Zone B. After supplying the first 30 kilowatt laser cutting machine to Vietnam market, products of Hans Laser have attracted a lot of attention from customers. Today, we wanna introduce the G6020F fiber laser cutting machine of Hans Laser with advanced technology. Its train-table design using laser technology developed by Hans, capable of processing 30mm iron and 25mm stainless steel. HC15 cutter head, which is self-developed by Hans, with the glass assemblies being separate modules that are very easy to check and repair. 10 kilowatt electricity source of Hans Laser help to reduce the risk when cutting highly reflective materials such as aluminum and copper. Vacuuming by cavity. Concentrated instructions have to increase the efficiency of vacuuming ability, and the fireproof bricks have to protect the machine body from the impact of heat. The machine can perform a lot of complex processing steps that few devices on the market can do, such as repositioning and storing breakpoints, frequency punching, removing the excess workpiece, handling many workpieces at the same time, determining the center of the round workpiece. The air compressing system of AMG for fiber laser cutting machine meet the standard of ISO class 121. Hans laser tube cutting machine T6022D, able to cut complex shapes of tubes. This machine can process various types of shape from round to square to U-shape, V-shape. Servo workpiece support system, up and down control according to the tube size. 2-point smoke suction system, one at the cutting chamber and the other at the rear clamp. This is what makes it different from other products. Equipped with advanced technology, the welding machine of Hans is a very special equipment with extremely smooth welding lines. The last product introduced by Hans and Automech in this exhibition is a laser engraving machine. The engraving machine uses a mobile fiber source capable of changing the frequency range, changing the punch width, giving better beam quality and the ability to engrave characters at very tiny level and many monometal materials such as black ABS resin, black mica. As a supplier of equipment and solutions, Automech always aims to become the bridge to bring advanced and effective technologies to customers in Vietnam market. Don't forget to visit us at the booth BD11 MTA exhibition. Thank you and see you.